Okay, guys, we're gonna have to stop because the weather's not helping us. It's just too cloudy and too much lightning, and kind of started to drizzle a little and then stop and then start it again, then stop. But right now it's just too dark. Take a look. It's just too many clouds, and it's just too scary to be up here and to be welding. And if it starts raining, when you're arc welding, you get wet, you have a problem. And like I said, with all these clouds around us, it's just too much. So we're gonna have to stop. We'll keep going tomorrow. Okay, we'll keep going tomorrow, guys. Take a look at this. But anyway, you guys can see what we're doing here. Okay, so basically these are the solar panels that we're putting, and here we're actually putting the L-shaped brackets to the panels. We're screwing the panels we're screwing the brackets to the panels, and then we're welding on top of the container. That's what we're doing. Okay, see this? Those are already finished. All those are finished, and basically what we need to do is the part that we're welding, we have to put some type of sealer. But like I said, the weather right now is not gonna let us keep working. Okay, guys, so that's what we're doing right now. And I'll stop this recording right now, and we'll keep going if we're able to do it tomorrow or the day after. But we're not gonna be working with this kind of weather. Okay, thank you, guys. And like I said, this is gonna be probably the third or fourth video. I need to check to see how many more we have. But anyway, this is what we're doing. We're putting solar panels on top of a container. Thank you, guys. Bye.